What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we're taking a look at Bitcoin on the daily chart. Now, are we going to break down below this last higher low at $35,000 and come down and retest these lows at $30,000? The summer lows I am talking about of 2021. Are we going to manage to hold here, creating another higher low and come all the way up here to this potential price target of round about $47,000, $48,000 in the next coming weeks? We're going to talk about this scenario, guys, and what major levels we do have here, support and resistance, to find incredible trading opportunities. I'm going to talk about the strongest resistance and support ranges where we could get big reactions for some opportunities, guys. Make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe daily to hear on Bitcoin crypto, also to live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor, don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Guys, quick reminder, if this video gets over 1,000 likes and you comment down below, you are eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. Now let's zoom out here on the daily. Now you might think that this over here, this small ascending channel, is just big, massive bear flag, and we are going to break support and continue to the downside. This is very much possible, but what I want to show you is that this area here, looking at the VPVR, has a huge amount of volume. Most of this volume has been buying pressure just at the low $30,000 range, where we had this reaccumulation zone. This was back in January of 2021, and also this accumulation zone here from May all the way till the end of July, and finally having this massive big price action to the upside. So this is why you do have a big cluster on the VPVR here. So it will be very, very difficult. We need a huge amount of selling pressure to break down the low $30,000 range. So as you can see, the price is actually struggling to get below this zone. This is why we are creating these higher lows. So we do have a possibility on getting a pretty big bounce in the next coming weeks, arriving above $46,000, which I think is very, very possible. And then here we could probably roll back down. Okay, this is what I am looking at for the next coming weeks still. Obviously, I am not trading based on that. I want to look for big opportunities on the lower time frames, on the 4 hourly, on the 1 hourly, and even on the 15-minute charts, okay, when I'm doing live streams. Make sure to subscribe because I'll be doing a live stream at the US opening. Now I want to go through the sponsored segment of this video. I want to talk about Margex trading platform. I've been hearing very good things about this platform in the last few weeks. Before we go through their easy, friendly interface and the incredible features that they have, I want to tell you that if you join with the link down below in the description, you get $50 worth of bonus to pay trading fees. And if you deposit plus 0.004 BTC, you're getting an additional $50 bonus down below. It only takes a few minutes at the most to sign up. You do not need any KYC, so it just takes even a few seconds. Now let's go straight here into the interface. Once you sign up, you can see at the top here, you can see the trading interface. They use TradingView, so you have all the tools here, as you can see, so you can use on the platform. Super easy, friendly. You got your limit order, market order, stock market, the amount of leverage up to 100x leverage to long and short. Here you have your wallet, so you can deposit your funds. They have different options here to deposit. If you click on deposit, you can see you can use Visa or MasterCard to buy your Bitcoin here straight away from the platform, and you can deposit different cryptos such as Ethereum, USDC, USDT, as you can see here on the deposit section. Now if you go to settings, here you can change your language, change your password, or activate Google Authenticator for more security. They do have a great referral program. And here at support, you have a live chat to, if you have any issues, you can contact directly with support here on the live chat. Video tutorials to learn how to deposit, open and close a position, place your stop loss and take profit. all of these video tutorials here are at the support tab. Now, going back to the trading interface, they can support over 100,000 trades per second, which is extremely fast. And they also have price manipulation protection. You will not find any big scam wicks here or any liquidation wicks on any of these assets. They do have a bunch of assets here, as you can see: Litecoin, EOS, Yearn Finance, ADA, Solana. Here you have open position, active orders, position history. On the right, you the order book with last trades. Super easy, friendly interface, as you can see. Down below with the link, you get $50 for fees, and also added $50 if you deposit 0.004 BTC, which is just over $150, guys. Let me know if you have any issues, any questions down below in the comment section, and I will help you out. Let's analyze the situation here, because what I want to show you with VPVR, okay, something that I mentioned on the latest videos and also on the live stream, we have a big gap here of no volume on the VPVR from the trading range from January all the way till today. So what is happening right now is that we are starting to consolidate. We are going to lower levels, but we are having a little bit of a consolidation around this range. It would be nice to see the next coming hours, couple of days, how we still react to this area, because this could still continue down. Okay, I need some more time. We do need a couple of days of consolidation around this range to start becoming bullish, because this could still continue to the downside. And I want to talk about a scenario that I did see from Crypto Anup. Shout out to him, because he's talking, we have talked about bump and run scenarios in this channel before, but what about an inverted bump and run, right? A bump and run top instead of a bump and run bottom, where you know, we were talking about this yesterday, where we were creating higher lows right over here. We had the price action having a big massive pump, get people extremely bullish, then this turns around. Now, once we break this trend line, you arrive to a potential target, and you know, pretty curious, I did not think about this, but the actual target from this bump and run right over here, top, is getting the top range from the support to the resistance, and from the breakout you can see that you almost perfectly reach the target here from this bump and run. Now we've got another one right over here that we've been talking about the last few days. We were having these higher lows over here. We were analyzing the situation here for Elliott wave counts, and it's pretty much almost invalidated at this range. We are at the very top of the first wave. So all depending, if we have a large consolidation, then it will be looking pretty good for the price to have a pretty nice pump, nice bounce. But what I want to talk also here is this inverted bump and run also, where you do have this big massive bump face, okay, and from the top to the support of the higher lows, from the breakout, you know, this could take the price all the way down below this low, which is at 34.4. So hitting around about that 34.4, 34.2 in the next coming days. This is very, very possible. You could see that kind of price action falling down to this level. And then would I become extremely bearish at this range? No, I will still be looking for some potential long opportunities depending on how the price reacts to that range. So basically it is a very bearish scenario that could happen. This is something that I wanted to point out. You could see, you did see that this one played out beautifully and reached the target. Why not this one can reach the target also just below $35,000? Very, very possible also. Anyway, zooming in, there's also the bullish case scenario, right? Where once you do see the price, you know, consolidating at this range, then having some massive bullish momentum. Now, I showed you here on yesterday's video where we did have a big massive rally to retest the support, turning into resistance. This didn't take a couple of days. This went from the low here on the 24th of February all the way to the 2nd of March. Okay, so this was over a week. So this means, you know, from this price area in a week's time, you know, maybe on the 12th or the 14th of March, we could actually reach also this major range, which is around about that $48,000 that we've been talking about the last few days. Now, of course, we do need a lot of pressure, but you can expect this from Bitcoin. No one expected this massive large pump that we did have, okay, just a few days ago. So this is the scenario, guys, and I think it would be relatively easy to jump back up to the $42,000 range, but we need to be extremely cautious at $42,000. If we do see the price of BTC pumping to that range in the next few days, we do know that this is an extreme level. We do have, a big spike on the VPVR, and this could react as very strong resistance. If the price action starts reacting to this range, just like what we saw here and here, if we start making this kind of price action right over this area where we do have the big spike on the VPVR, we do have big, large consolidation levels, this might be a great shorting opportunity. Of course, I will be doing daily updates. I will be doing also live streams. So we'll be analyzing the situation on how the price action reacts to this range where we're currently at right now. For a potential long opportunity, I'll be doing a live stream afterwards, see if we can find an opportunity there, or if the price comes all the way up here to this range, then of course we'll also be looking for potential short opportunities. Now remember also, depending on where the price action does finish, if it's at $37.5, $37,000, if we take fib levels from the top to the low part, it is also round about that 61 golden pocket between $41.5 and $42,000. It will be a major resistance level, a little bit of volatility here. That will be the moment to say, guys, let's step in for a trade. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoyed this quick video update, and check out the Bitcoinsensus website because we do post the latest news and technical analysis ideas every single day here on the website, guys. The link is down below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one.